Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put Roblox shortcut or Roblox on your home screen of your laptop or PC. This is on my Windows 11 laptop and this works on Windows 10. Okay, when you can double click on this shortcut, you can directly play your favorite games. Okay, so first of all, let me delete this. I'll be adding it again so that you will also get to know how you can add this back again. Before that, what I'll do is I'll be clicking on this Windows and I'll be installing this first quickly, and I'll show you how you can create this shortcut. First of all, click on Microsoft Windows symbol. Then here on the search, just search as store. You can open this Microsoft Store. I'm showing from the scratch. Okay, I assume there is no Roblox add on your computer, so I'm just installing this first and then I'll be putting it on the desktop. So yeah, download. You can download it from your Chrome browser also, means browser also you can download the application, but I'm downloading through the Microsoft Store as a app. Okay, I'll be back once this is successfully installed. Yes, it is successfully installed. I will be clicking on install. Okay, see, this is after the successful installation, right? I'll be just minimizing that. Yeah, see, now you can just press Windows logo key plus R to just execute this run command. Okay, Windows key with the combination of R, and type this following command: shell colon apps folder, and click on OK. So this is the path where you can get all the applications which are installed from the Microsoft Store. Okay, so find the Roblox here. See here, this is the Roblox, right? Or you can even search here like Roblox. So right click on this and click on create shortcut, and it is saying Windows can't create shortcut here. Do you want to shortcut to be placed on the desktop? Yes, I want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop. And where is here is the shortcut. You can place it anywhere you want. When you double click on this, you can directly use Roblox. So this is how you can put Roblox on your home screen. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like for this video and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.